For more than 50 years, IITA and partners have been undertaking research and development to produce innovations that address the challenges of food insecurity and poverty and support the smallholder farmers and consumers of Africa. Since it was established in 1967, IITA has helped improve the lives of millions of African farmers in rural farming communities across the continent. IITA is the leading research partner in sub-Saharan Africa, being CGIAR's first African link in a network of international agricultural organizations working across the region. IITA is aligned with local needs and works with local research institutes and stakeholders in building partnerships with key actors to conduct demand-driven research and help drive agricultural transformation across the African continent.
The end game of research is to ensure that it creates solution to human problem. We have so many innovations that are being developed. It needs to get to the hand of the beneficiary.
In Africa, IITA plays a pivotal role within CGIAR, delivering crucial innovations to farmers, producers, value chain participants, food processors, agro-dealers, and various stakeholders. These efforts facilitate agricultural solutions aimed at alleviating hunger and poverty across the continent.
We have made the conscious decision to ensure that we decentralize and we have people in 5 different hubs covering the whole of sub-Saharan Africa so that we get close to our partners, close to our clientele, so can we deliver our technologies, work with them to achieve the objective that they have, which is improving the livelihood of farmers.
Smallholder farmers encounter numerous challenges, including climate change-induced hazards, pest and disease outbreaks, rising costs of agricultural inputs, and ongoing degradation of soil health, leading to diminished yields.
We have a unique focus on Africa, and that gives us the opportunity to do R&D, to innovate along all the components of the value chains. We have noticed the threat of climate change is affecting all farmers in most areas of sub-Saharan Africa. We have been working on climate services for agronomy. Now what we need to do is strengthen this area, get it coordinated and bring all our innovations together so we can actually make African farming systems resilient to climate variation, which is a condition for transforming our systems here.
IITA is deeply engaged in many CGIAR research initiatives, leveraging innovative tools and approaches to address both existing and emerging challenges.
We are also trying to utilize all these new scientific tools like genome editing. We are also working very closely with the regulators so that the biosafety policies and the guidelines are in place.
Agriculture has been recognized as an engine for economic development. As a commercial activity, agriculture can create jobs for women and the youth.
It is crucial to incorporate gender in all the research areas of IITA because we are really focusing on agricultural development within communities within Africa. And if you really want to have an innovation that suits the local context, you have to talk to both people because they have different expertise and different opportunities.
To promote sustainability, IITA is committed to actively involving youth across all stages of the agribusiness value chain.
The myth is that the youth is not interested in agriculture. Youth are looking for sustainable employment where they can build dignified careers, gain a social status within the community in which they live, and be able to contribute to the economy in a way that also relates to them as viable actors.
Africa possesses the potential to achieve food self-sufficiency through its vast human and natural resources. However, IITA, alongside its partners, stands at the forefront of developing and adopting various cutting-edge ICT technologies crucial to realizing this potential. The impact of IITA's work across Africa is phenomenal. The Institute continues to intensify efforts to enhance food and nutrition quality and ensure the safety of Africa's food supplies.
The impact of IITA work has been very well documented. If we visit the regions where we work, there is this documentation that provides you the how and effect of what we have been doing and put a dollar number to the different work that we did.
Working closely with partners and farmers on agricultural research and delivery over the years, IITA focuses on the shared goal of achieving food systems enhancement and the developing economies.
Fulfillment of the mission of IITA is to bring the technologies to the users, taken up by the private sector and be scaled up. The aflasafe product, the cassava mechanization, the various program in the area of soil fertility management, plant health. So one area of focus will be to accelerate the uptake of those technologies for the further transformation of African food systems.